Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into one of the best Figure 8 hardware solutions on the market.
The pack of 40 Figure 8 tabletop fasteners with screws by Podoy.
Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional woodworker,
these fasteners are designed to make securing your tabletops and desktops a breeze.
First off, let's talk about why these Figure 8 fasteners stand out. They're crafted from heavy-duty 12-gauge steel,
which means they're incredibly sturdy, almost 1/8 inch thick and zinc-coated to prevent rusting and corrosion.
This ensures durability, making them suitable for long-term use without compromising on strength.
Each fastener measures 1 to 3 by 16 inches by 5 by 8 inches, providing ample surface area for a secure hold.
Installation is straightforward. Simply use a Fastener bit or router to create a recess for the fastener, then screw it down to your frame.
This versatility allows for installation on both the inside and outside of hardware, tabletops, desktops, and even cabinet fronts.
Whether you're renovating your kitchen counters, crafting a custom desk, or building new cabinetry, these Figure 8 fasteners offer reliable support.
They're designed to handle various applications,
providing stability and ease of assembly, perfect for any woodworking project where strength and durability are paramount. Now, let's briefly compare them to other options on the market.
The Podoy Figure 8 fasteners have received consistently high ratings for their build quality and ease of use.
Unlike traditional brackets or clips, these fasteners blend seamlessly into the design, offering a sleek and modern solution without compromising on performance. To sum it up, if you're looking for the best Figure 8 hardware for your woodworking projects, look no further than the pack of 40 Figure 8 tabletop fasteners with screws from Podoy.
They combine durability, ease of installation, and a sleek design, all at an affordable price point. Thanks for watching.
If you found this video helpful,
don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and DIY project ideas.
Until next time, happy crafting!